Hey, it's Rylan Lindley here with MarineMax in Louisville, and today I'm going to be taking you through a tour of the Sea Ray 230 SLX. So Sea Ray at the back of the boats really makes it the ultimate entertainment zone. So right here we have a drop-down submersible swim platform. That'll flip about 90 degrees into the water, and just a really nice step for you to swim up to, hang out on, or just to get in and out of the water. You will also have a telescopic ladder to get in and out, but this is just a really cool place to hang out on while y'all are swimming. There will be some transom speakers on the back of the boat, so if you are doing any wakeboarding or just swimming around, you can hear your tunes. Right here on the transom walkthrough, there will be a stereo control remote, so you will be able to control your volume, the song choice, whatever it may be. You will have an insulated cooler right here on the transom walkthrough, so go ahead and ice that down, throw your drinks or your sandwiches right in there. And then you do have a little ratchet backrest. So that clicks up if you want a little more lumbar support. Just makes it a really nice spot to hang out on the back. Like I said, the back of the Sea Ray is really the ultimate entertainment spot. So coming through, we have the side transom walkthrough. We're not stepping over the motor to get into the boat, not stepping on any upholstery or anything like that. And that brings us to the cockpit. So really nice entertainment zone. You have this flip-flop seating that goes back and really opens everything up. Storage underneath every seat. And then right here on the very back is another insulated storage spot for your cooler. Go ahead and ice that down with drinks. And then you will have another little pull-out cooler right here underneath this seat. So plenty open areas for ice and for drinks. So coming over here to the Helm Station, we will have a flip-up bolster seat. Personally, I do like to ride a little higher as I'm docking the boat. And then we have ordered this one with the fully digital display screen. So this is a medallion screen. It'll give you all of your ski settings. So you'll go to your launch settings right here. This is perfect for wakeboarding, for skiing, tubing, really anything of that nature. It lets you set your acceleration profile, and then it'll set a specific speed, and then you can do all of your presets, lock that in, and then just hit your throttle all the way down. That gets you right to the speed you have it set on. And then going on the fly, if you need to change it up or down, you can go ahead and change the speed by the 1/10 of the miles per hour just right there from the screen. So what an amazing feature. Not only that, but you can go through, look at all of your lights. That'll give you a visual representation of everything that comes on the boat. You can also go in, do all of your interior lights. If you look around the boat now, just what a beautiful interior. So coming up to the bow, very deep bow. Great spot for the kids. Underneath both of these areas right here, you will find storage. So you can never have too much storage on a boat. Just a really beautiful interior design. But guys, my name is Rylan Lindley here with MarineMax in Louisville. Thank you so much for walking through this Sea Ray 230 SLX with me. If you'd like to see it a little more in depth, please come into our showroom, take a look in person. You may call us on our phone or look at the boat on our website. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.